Hi guys, I wanted to take a quick minute and show you how I organize my seeds each year. So I sort everything out by what it is: herbs, spinach, onions. I have a lot of tomatoes, and as you can see, I don't have the packets for all of the tomatoes. Like this here, I bought at the greenhouse, and I just kept the tag in a baggie and labeled those baggies appropriately. Here I've done the same thing with these indigo cherry drops, which are fantastic. And I'll just fold these up after they're dry and keep them in the seed packet. And then when I go to plant them, I'll just tear off about this amount here for 3 seeds, take off the back ply, because it is a 2-ply paper towel, and then I will put that in the ground, and the paper towel itself is just going to disintegrate. So I just organize everything according to what it is. I'm at the kitchen island here, and I put everything together. I get everything really sorted out according to what it is. That's all the new lettuce that I got. If you find one of these, I think this is an old ice tray or either an egg tray from like a 1990s or 2000 refrigerator. They are the perfect size to store your seeds in. So after I organize it, then I'm going to come back and I'm going to do my planting, which I will show you next. Thank you. Have a good day.